To get to the application settings, go to the Xiris logo and then Application Settings. This will bring up its window. If using WeldStudio 3 on a tablet or a touchscreen, turning on large controls and display navigation controls may be useful for larger touch targets. You can choose the measurement units below. Under Cameras, you can change the camera connection behavior and what is shown on screen. The cameras currently connected will show up here and can be connected or disconnected from WeldStudio. Every camera ever connected will be remembered along with their settings. These cameras are listed here. In the Media and Recording section, you will be able to change where the videos are kept, the watermark that appears at the bottom left of video recordings, and the recording quality. The pre-record buffer allows for capturing the specified number of seconds before the recording starts. So if you want to record a video, the file will contain the amount of seconds set before the recording is started. This is good for having just before the weld starts if using the histogram or photodiode to initiate the recording. A full reset of the program is done by clicking Reset Settings. This will set the program back to factory settings. WeldStudio will factory reset, shut down, and restart.